Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Tompoes, a Dutch and Belgian pastry. This is how we say Tompouce. Tompouce. There is a light emphasis on the second part of the word. Tompouce. Tom-Pouce. Tompouce. There is another way of spelling Tompouce, namely Tompouce, but as you can hear, the pronunciation is the same. Tom-Pouce. Tompouce. The Tompouce was introduced by a baker in Amsterdam, and it was named after the Admiraal Tom Pouce, the stage name of the Frisian dwarf Jan Hannema, who lived in the mid-1800s. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!